Hi, I'm making a video on how to change the fuel pressure regulator on a Mercedes W124. This is a 1988 260E, and the reason why I'm making this video is because I haven't really seen any good videos on how to change out a fuel pressure regulator on an M103 engine, which this is. So basically, how you change it out is you take off the air filter housing, then it's going to look like this. So this is the fuel pressure regulator right here. Now, to take this off is basically, first I kind of unscrewed that to kind of move these black lines out of the way to make it easier, but this has three pieces to it. Basically, you untighten this, you untighten that, and then there's one more on the underside. And then from that point, everything just kind of comes off, and then you can change it. And then to put this back on, it's just the reverse process. I think that's pretty easy as well. And then you just kind of put the air filter housing back on, and that should be it. Hope this helps. I was kind of struggling to find videos online on how to do it, but it actually ended up being pretty simple. So, all right, thanks.